In a cardboard hobby, we are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 1 box eBay break. March 12th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Autographs _King with the Falcons and Rams. Boom. 5051120. Ravens, Panthers, Broncos, Chiefs, Vikings, Giants, Bears, Eagles, and Titans. Dolphin fan with the Lions, Redskins, Colts, and Dolphins. Jonathan Thark-0 with the Buccaneers. MAHILTIBRAN _0 with the Seahawks. Travis _99 with the Browns and Jets. We got LEOD817 with the Steelers. GILMELE-34 with the Texans, Chargers, Patriots, and Raiders. WARREGIPSO _0 with the Saints. DMaker445 with the Jaguars. MESSAL _70 with the Packers. WARREGIPSO _0 also with the Cowboys. DMaker445 also with the Bengals. John Dahman Jr. with the Bills. And we got JS Mead 111 with the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got our box right here. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. Love these Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmets. They're absolutely amazing. Let's get our box open. All right, guys. Here we go. Your Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet coming at your front and center. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. I can get it out. There we go. All right, here we go. Coming at you front and center. '49ers beautiful. Nick Bosa. 49ers Nick Bosa. Beckett COA back there. Absolutely gorgeous looking autograph. Authentic full-size helmet there, guys. Okay, so the 49ers, they ended up being available due to a non-payment. And I am going to give everybody a chance in the break to actually win this helmet, guys. We're going to do it right now. So don't go anywhere, guys. We're going to be doing a random right now. We're going to put all 32 NFL teams. All right, so once again, the 49ers, they were available for purchase due to a non-payment. And, of course, we got a Nick Bosa Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet, which is absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful-looking full-size helmet. And we're gonna give this one away here, guys. We're going to give everybody a shot at this one in the break. So we got all 32 NFL teams here, guys. All 32 NFL teams. So we're going to go 5 clicks here at Cardboard Hobby. Whichever team is on top after the 5th click. And what we're going to do is take the 49ers out. Take the 49ers out of there. So we have 31 NFL teams in here. After 5 clicks, whichever team is on top, you will be the winner of the Nick Bosa Autograph Authentic, fully authentic, full-size helmet, guys. Let's do it. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. There's 1 click. 31 items. That's correct. There's 2. There's 3. There is 4. We're going to go one more time, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go for the Nick Bosa Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet. 5 times Bengals. Bengals. And your Bengals owned by D Maker 445. Congratulations, you are the winner. You got a Nick Bosa autograph, authentic, full size helmet. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful autograph, authentic, full size helmet. That is just beautiful. Autograph, authentic, full size helmet there, Nick Bosa. Congratulations. Tyler Terry, congrats. Congrats. That's a beautiful autograph, authentic, full-size helmet. Congrats. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is your 2023 Gold Rush Extravaganza Jersey Baseball 6-box full case eBay break. We've got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night, as well as all week long, so please don't miss out on those as well. Thank you so much again for your support, everybody. Please be smart, be safe out there.